All right, today we have a problem today here where our button for the elevator is not working. When you press the button's supposed to turn red to bring the elevator. So and the top one, I don't want to press it because I just took that off. So I have the top one the way it is, just to be able to show you what's going on in here. Where this motherboard right here, it basically got loose. So when you push the button, you're supposed to clip this little part in here. Supposed to push the center button right there. So once again, once you press that, you have the elevators basically stay on the first floor. And this is basically the fourth floor. So once you press that button is supposed to turn red, and then bring the elevator, whichever one on the fourth floor, whichever one that is available. But anyway, so we realize the problem, which is the back motherboard is loose and it's not making contact with the button. So we're gonna cut that. Not cut, I mean take the glue off around there, around the plate. Bring it out, and to fix the problem from behind it. You got 4 LED lights that's shining real bright. So this one right there, this is snap in, so I took that off real nice with that little piece, little screwdriver, but it's supposed to be a flat one, a flat one like that, and just gently you pop that out, and be careful you don't break anything, and that should come out, and it should give you that view just like this. So we're gonna go ahead, break the seal, take the cover off, then fix it back. So anyway, so we kind of broke the seal around the plate, and this is what's going on right now. That motherboard right here is supposed to be flat against that surface, so it came loose. So as you can see, the bottom button. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that.